Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to do voice notes on iPhone. Voice notes on iPhone allow you to quickly record audio for reminders, ideas, or important information. The built-in app makes recording, editing, and sharing simple and efficient. You can access your recordings anytime and organize them. To begin, open the Voice Memos app. Launch voice memos on your iPhone. Locate the record button. Find the red circle at the bottom of the screen. Tap the record button. Start recording your voice note. Speak clearly. Hold your iPhone close and speak at a steady pace. Pause recording. Swipe the recording to reveal more options. Tap the pause button if you need a break. Resume recording. Tap the record button again or resume to continue. Stop recording. Tap the stop button or the check button when finished. Save your recording. The voice note is automatically saved. Rename the recording. Tap the file name to edit and organize it. Play back the recording. Tap the note and press play to listen. Edit the recording. Tap the three dots, then tap Edit Recording. Tap the three dots, then tap Trim. Use the edit tools to trim or adjust audio. Share your voice note. Tap the three dots, then tap the share icon to send via messages or email. Delete unwanted recordings. Swipe left on a recording and tap Delete. Organize recordings. Swipe the recording, then tap Move. Name it, then tap Save. Use folders or naming conventions for easy access. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.